In year 9, you met single brackets. Now in year 10, algebra levels up. We're talking about multiplying two brackets together, a skill called expanding binomial products. It's the foundation for solving complex equations and understanding how things like projectile motion work. So let's get it right. The go-to method is a simple acronym, FOIL. First, outside, inside, last. When you see two brackets, like x plus 5 times x plus 2, you multiply the first terms, x times x, the outside terms, x times 2, the inside terms, 5 times x, and finally the last terms, 5 times 2. Combine them all, simplify the middle, and you get your answer, x squared plus 7x plus 10. You can even picture it as finding the area of a rectangle. But be warned, the number one mistake is with negatives. A simple x minus 3 isn't x and 3, it's x and negative 3. That sign is glued to the number. So when you expand 2x minus 3 times x minus 4, remember that the last step, negative 3 times negative 4, gives you a positive 12. Once you've mastered FOIL, you can use shortcuts. These are called special products. See something like x plus 5 times x minus 5? That's a difference of two squares. The middle terms will always cancel out, leaving you with just x squared minus 25. No middle x term. It's a clean, fast solution. The other shortcut is the perfect square, like 2x minus 5 squared. Don't fall into the trap of just squaring both parts. The rule is square the first, square the last, and double the product for the middle. So 2x squared is 4x squared. Negative 5 squared is positive 25, and the middle is 2 times 2x times negative 5, which is negative 20x. These tools, FOIL and the special product rules, are what you'll use to tackle bigger problems, simplifying long expressions piece by piece. Master them now, and the rest of algebra will click into place.